Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sada's Green Life. I really hope you all are safe, healthy and happy. Today's episode, as you can see on the thumbnail and the title of the video, I am going to be taking you all through my favorite eye and lip combination for red outfits. Generally also, this is what I generally do. I might not be doing red lips, but somewhere I play around the scheme of colors around my outfit. So I thought while I'm at it, while I'm shooting for Neet on a Dance and for the launch episode, I shall quickly take you all through what you all can do for outfits such as these. It could be red sari, red gown, red short dress, whatever you name it. If it's got red in it, these are the combinations that you can try. And like this is one of the combination obviously, but I will also tell you all the other combinations that you all can try if you have to wear a red outfit for any occasion. Without any further delay, let's get started. So for a red outfit, you can try a lot of combinations. It all depends on the kind of elements the red outfit has. For example, my red sari is got self work, like it is red on red beads, sequin on red net. So there is no element of gold or silver in it. The kind of accessories that I'm going with today is basically silver, white and green. So it's a combination of chunks of emerald, which is green basically. So silver, white and green is the accessories. So I need to now figure out how I'll do my eye makeup. I should not touch gold for it. As far as I am concerned, people do it, but I don't like to mix gold and silver unless the outfit also has both these, metals in it. So since my outfit doesn't have any metallic in terms of gold and silver, but my jewelry is silver, I will go with something that is cool toned and not warm toned. So that's how I decide on what eyeshadow I should be doing. So my favorite lip and eye makeup combination is generally I'll go bold on the eyes and keep the lips very subtle, or I'll keep the eyes very very subtle and go bold with the lips. So I could either keep my eyes nude in terms of shades like these, this, or maybe something like this. So very similar. This has got little more pink and silvery tone. This has got more of little touch of mauve in it. I could either do this or this and go with red lips, or I could do little more darker shade on the eyes. Like I could go with something like this or this in combination to lighter shades. Like I could give little sockets darker and all of that, so keep my eyes more bold and go with really nude lips, which is what I tried for BB Jodi finale and it turned out well. So I'm thinking of doing the same today. Let's do the other way around. Kada red lips chedda, red lips chesi light eye makeup. I think that should look good because I tried the other combination for the BB Jodi finale. I'll go with lighter eyes and bold lips. So I've just given you all a brief as to what can be done for red outfits. Now if you have red with bronze or red with gold, just with like blindly go for bronze or gold eyeshadow and red lips or maroonish depending on what kind of red you're wearing. So now, like you see, I'm going very very light with my eyes, very subtle. I'm also thinking not to go too overboard with the eyeliner and everything. Keep it very natural. Give a nice poppy red lip. Now with shades like these that I'm doing right now, I wet my brush a little bit, take the eyeshadow and place it so the color payoff is quite good compared to taking dry eyeshadows on the brush. These are things that work for me and I feel they look good universally, but you can always experiment. Makeup is all about experimenting. For my socket, nothing works better than these kind of lighter browns because they look like skin. So for my eye socket, I take colors like these, this or this depending on what looks good for that particular eye makeup. Today I'm going with this. So what happens is it kind of gives me that definition, but at the same time it doesn't look like I have put any eyeshadow. It's very very close to the skin tone. Just gives that little definition. So this is a very good way. Take any shade that is a couple of shades darker than your skin tone and give your eyes that little contouring. So this kind of pops up. Very simple, very, very simple. Again, I'm going with this shade. So now imagine this with silver jewelry and red and self-worked sari. Very neat, not too much drama. Now, like I said, I'm not going to do too much of eyeliner, bold liner, nothing. Go with something very simple. So, what I'm doing is I'm taking this dark brown. I don't think in the entire season of BB Jodi I've tried this combination of light eyes and have I? Mostly you all know that I do that black kajal pencil and I smudge that. That's the only way I do mostly, like 99% of the times. Today, let's try something else. Very, very close to the lash line, I'm just giving this dark black shadow just for a little definition. Because in person that burgundy shade liner looks very good, but I don't think it'll pick. I don't think the cameras and all that lights will pick that lighter shade. So just to define the eyes a little bit, I'm going a little darker, just close to the lash line. I think that is it. Okay, we need a good highlighter. The same eyeshadow that I wore here, I'm just kind of giving a little highlighting effect on the bottom 1/3 and the corner. This makes you look awake. Unlike what I am right now, very sleepy. Whatever, like a nude color eye pencil. Under the eyes. On the lower waterline. I hope I'm saying the right terms. Mind is not functioning. Okay. Let's do mascara. Done. Last eyebrows. My makeup is complete without eyebrows. Lightest shade just under the lip, only here, just at the arch. Okay, for like it's looking flat kada, I have to define my lower lash line a little bit so that it's only definition, it's not like too much liner or anything. So I'm going with the same burgundy. I'm going with the same burgundy color on a brush like this. One-third was that light color, 2/3 is this darker shade. It's on display. గుడ్ హౌ యూ ఇంత తొందరగా అనుకోలేదు కదా.
యా మీరు ఎప్పటి వరకు రెడీ ఉండగలుగుతారు నార్మలీ?
10:30 maximum.
ఒకవేళ ఇన్ కేస్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఫినిష్ యర్ యాక్ట్ జల్దీ, దెర్ ఈస్ అ పాసిబిలిటీ వీ కెన్ డూ యోర్స్ ఫస్ట్.
లేదంటే నైట్ అయిద్దా?
లేదు మ్యామ్,
లేదు. ఓకే,
ఫస్ట్ వీ క్యాన్ ఫినిష్ యోర్స్ ఫస్ట్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ రెస్ట్ ఇట్ అవుట్.
వాట్ టైం ఫర్ దట్?
9:40.
కష్టం, బికాజ్ ఇంకా బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేయలేదు, సారీ వేసుకోవాలి, అవన్నీ ఉంది. ఆల్మోస్ట్ అయింది, ఇంకా ఉంది కొంచెం కొంచెం.
9:40 will once I'll
come and see where I am, then we can take it for. ठीक है, అప్పటి వరకు in case if you all are also not ready with the other one, then I can come.
Done ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am.
For gold and red combination also there is a video, a wedding look or something like that. It has got a nice bronze gold eye makeup with red lips. That's another reference, good one. Unfortunately, I've not carried all my lipsticks because, like I said, wasn't using many shades of lipsticks and I thought this palette should be good enough. These two palettes in fact. But now I feel like that proper red which I had is not here. Okay kada. Perfect. Okay, then it's just so I'm going with this red finally. Nice, like it. Such nice lipsticks yaar, for like what, 300? Look at our texture and it's so good. Very thick ledu. It has that nice sheen. So I think this is it. I have to probably increase my blush some more. It's not showing up with the red color. That's it. All set. Light eyes, bold lips. I'll lenses iddama. Same unnai na dagira grey. Sari saree esaka lenses iddam. So I'm done. Red lips perfectly going with the sari, and eyes, like I said, very subtle. Like you can't really make out if it's gold, silver, nothing. It's got that nice subtle sheen to it. Very simple eyeliner, silvery white pencil on my lower waterline. That's it. I'm done. So beautiful, so elegant. So this is one of the lip and eye combos that I really like. It's come out really well on this outfit, and I really hope you all liked it too. If you did, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do consider subscribing to the channel. I shall see you very, very soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, feel good, and be blessed. Bye.